Hi developers, welcome to How to Fix. Today, we're focusing on this unique bug that might have trouble with. So let's dive right into today's bug. Let's start by executing code 1 to stimulate the error and watch the result. So here's a clear explanation and the fix for this issue. Please halt the video to go through the explanation. Now let's fix the code and see what the result is going to be. And ta-da! The code is working as it should and our output is looking good. The error has disappeared. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more code fixing videos. Stay curious, keep learning, and happy coding everyone.